Can't log into your Windows PC? Locked out of your local account? Don't have a recovery USB or recovery media? Don't panic, there is a solution. In this video, I'll show you several methods to regain access to your Windows PC, whether you're locked out of a local account or even a Microsoft account. Make sure you watch until the end because one method may work when another doesn't. Method 1. Reset a local account password using sticky keys. As you can see, I'm currently locked out of this local account. Windows is asking for recovery media, which I don't have. Here's what we're going to do: hold down the Shift key and click Restart. Keep holding Shift until you see a Please wait. Release the Shift key and wait for Windows recovery to load. Once you're in the recovery environment, click Troubleshoot. Select Advanced Options. Open Command Prompt. In Command Prompt, type Notepad. Press Enter. When Notepad opens, click File Open. Browse to this PC drive Windows System 32. Change file type from text documents to all files. Locate the file shown on screen and rename it to .bak. Next, locate the second file shown on screen and rename it as demonstrated. Once completed, close Notepad. Close Command Prompt. Click Continue to Windows 11. Back at the login screen, press the Shift key 5 times. If prompted for sticky keys, click No. You should now see an elevated command prompt. Type NetUser. This displays all user accounts on the computer. To reset a password, type NetUser username star. Replace username with the actual account name. Windows will ask for a new password. Enter a new password. Confirm the password. Press Enter. Close Command Prompt. Now restart the computer. As you can see, the password has been removed or reset successfully, and we can access the account again. Important: restore the original files. Before finishing, you must restore the files you renamed. Navigate back to See Windows System 32. Rename the files back to their original names exactly as shown on screen. If Windows denies permission, right-click the System 32 folder. Select Properties. Open the Security tab. Click Advanced. Change the owner to everyone. Click Check Names. Click OK. Enable Replace Owner on subcontainers and objects. Apply the changes. Next, click Edit. Grant full control permissions where necessary. Click Apply. Click OK. You should now be able to rename the files back to their original names. Method 2. Alternative password reset method. If the first method doesn't work on your system, try this one. Again, hold Shift. Click Restart. Go to Troubleshoot. Open Advanced Options. Launch Command Prompt. Type Notepad. File open. Change to all files. Browse to see Windows System 32. Locate the file shown on screen and rename it to .bak. Then rename the second file as demonstrated. Close everything and continue back to Windows. At the login screen, click the accessibility icon in the bottom right corner. A command prompt window should appear. Type NetUser to view all user accounts. Then type NetUser username*. Replace username with the account you want to reset. Set a new password, or leave it blank if desired. Press Enter to confirm. Close command prompt. The password has now been reset. You should be able to log in successfully. Again, don't forget to restore the renamed files in the System32 folder once you're finished. Method 3. Access data from a locked Microsoft account. What if you're locked out of a Microsoft account and can't reset the password? The good news is that you can still access and recover your files. Let's do it. Once again, hold Shift. Click Restart. Go to Troubleshoot. Open Advanced Options. Launch command prompt. Type Notepad. Click File Open. Browse to See Windows System 32. Change file types to All Files. Locate the file shown on screen and rename it to .bak. Then rename the second file as demonstrated. Close everything and return to the login screen. Click the accessibility icon. A command prompt window opens. Now we're going to create a brand new administrator account. Type NetUser NewUser Password add. Press Enter. You should see a message confirming the user was created successfully. Next, add the user to the administrators group, Net Local Group Administrators New User add. Press Enter. The account is now an administrator. Restart the PC. At the login screen, you'll see the new account listed. Sign in using the password you created. Windows will take a few moments to prepare the new profile. Once you're logged in, open File Explorer. Navigate to See Users. Open the folder belonging to the locked Microsoft account. If prompted for permissions, click Continue. You should now have access to Documents, Downloads, Pictures, Desktop files, Videos, and other personal data. Simply copy the files and transfer them to the new administrator account. An external drive. Another storage device. And that's it. Whether you're locked out of a local account, need an alternative password reset method, or simply want to recover files from a Microsoft account, these techniques can help you regain access to your system. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might need it. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below.